What's up? What's up, my man? There's a lot going on today. Hope we are all involved in what the market has for us today. Okay. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Wow. I currently have a trade running on GBPUSD. Sup, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you are joining us for the very first time, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, guys. Do not forget to show some love by subscribing. So we are currently trading GBP USD. We're currently trading GBP USD. So we are selling. We've been buying for a while. So we noticed some bearish strength. That's why we decided to hop in on this sell to see how it goes. Hopefully, New York session comes and push it down. Hopefully, New York session comes and push GBP USD down for us to actually enjoy the sale we have going on. So guys, tell me, where are you streaming from? And tell me if you want me to do analysis on any pair. On any pair, we can analyze it together and see what's popping. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So I feel like we are just getting this pullback to continue riding down. So this is pre-New York. I believe this preparation for the New York session. Okay. So let's just hold tight and keep believing. Let's just hold it tight and keep believing, because we are in a clean downtrend. Okay. The downtrend is clear. So if we get a good pullback into this zone, those who did not take the trade can rather take an advantage and also get in. So this is GBP USD. See GBP USD. Okay. So I'll just move this to the side and let's watch the charts. Or better still, I will rather prefer to open new charts so that we can watch. So guys, if this is your first time joining me, know that I do lives like this regularly, and I also have educative videos if you want to know how to trade on your own without necessarily following my signals. I have good videos in the channel that will guide you. Like right now, I'm currently uploading a video on how to spot sales in a downtrend. Okay, how to get good entries, because we all know that in a downtrend we should be looking for sales. So I have a video loading right now on how to spot good sales in the downtrend. So we are looking forward to add one more position on GBPUSD, because we are currently selling GBPUSD. Okay, we are currently selling GBPUSD. We are in on a sell. So we got a serious rejection around our key level, 1.38 thousand, and that's why we had this sell here. I even noticed it late. We got an entry around here. Okay, so right now we just need to be patient and see if we can scale in. For those who are in my free community, they're already in this trade. Okay, so we are now waiting for another opportunity to get a second entry. We're waiting for a second entry. So if you are new to this channel, I really appreciate if you take out time to subscribe to the channel. If you take out time to subscribe to the channel, I really do appreciate, guys. Subscribing will go a long way to push us ahead. So support us by subscribing. Okay, so if we are scaling in here, we should be expecting to place our stop loss above this high, because price has no right to come back and take out these highs for us. So we just need to watch patiently how price rejects. Okay, so we can actually have a double top around here. Because this is a key level. If you look closely, you realize that every time price gets to this zone, there is a serious reaction. You see, price got here, bounced, 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 bounced. We also had this bounce. This is where we entered our first trade. Now, price is coming back up. If price decides to come to this zone, it shouldn't break this zone, because if it breaks this zone, then we are wrong. Okay, so we just need to wait patiently for price to pull back anywhere above this new line I just drew, for us to now get an entry to sell. Okay, so as of right now, we haven't taken any decision yet. We just need to be patient and wait. All right, so if you are new to the channel, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, guys. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you receive notifications for every new video that pops up on the channel. Okay, so that's it. Let's see how it goes. Today we'll be trading GBPUSD together. You can tell me in the comment section exactly where you're streaming from. Tell me if you want me to analyze any pair for you. We can do the analysis together, and we see what we should be expecting. Okay, so we are on the 5 minutes time frame. We are looking forward to have a good sell, to continue the sell on GBPUSD. So those who are in my free community, we already made over 1:1.2, something like that. 1:1.3, somewhere around there. Okay, so now what's happening is just a pullback. All right, we are currently having a pullback, and I'm seeing that price will tap into this zone anywhere around here, above this line that we have here, anywhere around there. If we see a confirmation, we should start getting to another entry. Okay, so guys, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Tell me exactly where you are streaming from. Okay, Joffred, nice to have you. Where are you streaming from? So this is GBPUSD. We are looking at GBPUSD. It has just tapped our entry, but we are not entering now. Let's wait to see if we can get a confirmation. Okay, you don't just enter anyhow. Let's wait to see if we can get a confirmation. Okay, price has actually tapped into our zone. So for those who had pending orders, they've been triggered. And if you want, you can enter now, because this stop loss is less than 20. Now, this is GBPUSD, right? You can enter now. This is a clean 1:3 risk to reward that we are into. Geoffrey Amolo, nice to have you. Where are you streaming from? Where are you joining us from? And to all those who are new here, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the live, and let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. The reason why we have here to let you know that it is possible for you to make it in trading, and that the fact that you have losses doesn't mean you're a bad trader. All right, you just need to work on yourself and know how to manage your losses. And for those who have accounts less than $100, this is 18 pip stop loss, so you shouldn't risk too much. Okay, shouldn't risk too much. Hi Genesis, good afternoon. You're welcome. Nice to have you. So where are you watching me from? Where are you streaming from? Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. All right, so we are currently looking forward to sell GBP USD. Okay, I'm looking forward to sell GBP USD. Some people have already entered. Some people are still waiting to get a tighter entry, which is still very okay. But price might choose not to go back all the way up. Okay, that's why at times you take your entries early. But the best way to do is to be patient. But now, if you are patient, also be ready to miss so many setups. So Genesis, are you a trader? Have you been trading already, or you are still a beginner, you are trying to learn? You guys should tell me in the comment section what you do. Hi, Dako Mo Gabriel. Nice to have you. Okay. Genesis, nice to have you, bro. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. All right, Gabriel, have you subscribed? Um, Please, if you're not subscribed, just help subscribe to the channel. So let's get it going. Let's get it growing. Okay. Wow, it's great to have traders around. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Hi, Joshua. Nice to have you. Where are you streaming from? Let's see how it goes. So we are currently selling GBP USD. Okay, we're currently selling GBP USD because we've been in a very tense uptrend, but now this is the lower time frame. We just had a small change of character somewhere around here, and we realized that we break. Okay, from Jos, Nigeria. Awesome. So we break below our key level, and you see a clean retest. Okay. Wow. Wow. Genesis, that's awesome. Awesome. Okay, let's get it going. Genesis has been trading for over 5 years. He's been having ups and downs. Yes. So the reason why you see me coming live is because I just want to encourage someone. Um, I just like want to encourage someone and let you know that the fact that you are getting losses or you are hitting SL doesn't make you a bad trader, because even the best traders in the world also have SLs, right? So what differs is the fact that those who are profitable traders, they know how to manage their risk properly to the point where even if they hit SL back to back, their one win will cover up most of their losses. And apart from that, they have the confidence because they are looking at the bigger picture. When you look at it from a trade to trade perspective, it's difficult for you to make it big because you want every trade to hit TP, which is not cool. Some trades must hit SL. So SL is normal. That's why at times, even during our live sessions, I hit SL and I feel very normal, very okay, because SL is part of the game. You can't avoid it. All you can do is plan how much you give to your SL in case you have to hit SL. Okay, so that's just how simple trading should be. You shouldn't make it too complicated. If you see, the strategy we trade is simple price action. We don't complicate stuffs. We don't complicate stuffs. We make it very easy so that we can get it going. Even during the difficult moments, we can resist. Okay, we can resist. So what we do is we risk very little. We make sure our risk to reward is always at least 1:2. Like this setup is a 1:3 risk to reward. So if we lose, we are losing just one. But if we earn, we um, we are making at least 3 times what we lose. Wow. Thank you very much, Genesis. I love your encouragement. That's powerful. All right. So for those who are just joining us, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, okay? Because we have live sessions like this, and I also have recorded videos on this channel that can guide you from zero. Like even if you know nothing about trading, you can watch just this channel and become a profitable trader. I make it very easy. And now, imagine me dropping you free content and still coming back to guide you on how to use it. Like right now, the strategy we are trading, I have recorded it here, okay? Which means you can still go back and watch and you see exactly what I'm talking about. So what we are trading is what I'm teaching, okay? So I practice what I say, and personally, I'm in this trade. I am in it. So we all are taking this trade live, okay? So for those who are just joining, we are trading GBP USD, all right? We had our first entry all the way up here in the morning. I shared this with my community. So if you are not yet part of my free community, so now we're having a pullback and we still believe in the bias that it will continue dropping. All right. All right. I don't have specific dates that I come online. That's why you have to turn on your notification there so that whenever I'm active, you always receive notifications. I'm talking to Genesis because he's asking how many days or how many times do I come live a week. There are weeks when I come live every blessed day. There are times when I come once or twice. So it all depends. Currently, I'm in Nigeria. I'm a Cameroonian. I'm from Cameroon, but I'm in Nigeria. I'm in Abuja, and you know the condition of Nigeria. There are times when light is not really the best, network is not the best. So that's why some days I find it difficult to come on live, but I'm always active with you guys. And for you guys who are writing me from Nigeria, who are here from Nigeria, I think it's high time we relate. Let me drop my number on the screen so that those who can connect should connect. All right, you can always hit me up. Let's chat. I love connecting with traders. That's just me. Even on TikTok, when I see a good trader, I always hit them up, say, "Whoa, what's up? I'm a trader. Can we connect?" Because I believe trading is something. It's a lonely path. It's a very lonely path, and when you have people to relate with, it makes your journey more easy. All right. Afonso, nice to have you. Chingwendu, Favor, nice to have you. You all are welcome to the channel. It's a pleasure to have you all here today. So we are currently trading GBPUSD. We are selling GBPUSD, all right? We are selling GBPUSD. So if you feel as to join us, you just need to be patient a little. Or if you're entering here, it's still not bad because you'll be targeting at least a 1:2. So it's not bad. Okay? It's not bad. But maintain the same stop loss. So that's my WhatsApp on the screen. You can always write me on WhatsApp. All right. You're asking if I'm using the measure break of structure to determine direction. Well, when you talk about measure break of structure, what do you mean? You know, when you're in an uptrend and trend changes, you don't call that break of structure, you call it change of character because the trend has changed. Okay, you were on Euro USD sell. Okay. That's awesome. Yes, you know, Euro and GBP almost do the same thing most of the time. So that's cool. I'm with you on that. So okay, thanks for the live update. You're welcome to Nigeria. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much, brother. I don't know if it's a brother or it's a sis, but it's an honor to have you guys here. You know, I love it. And Nigeria is a cool place, guys. I love it. As compared to Cameroon, I don't want to compare the two. Nigeria is a great place. Cameroon too is great, but every country has their ups and downs. So I love my stay in Nigeria. So I enjoy it. Yeah. When you relate with other traders, it's fun. It's fun. So guys, for those who are just joining us, don't forget to show some love by subscribing, okay? Do not forget to show some love by subscribing. I believe that's the best way you can help our channel. That's the best way you can help our channel to grow. Then maybe for those who want to join my free Telegram community, the links are in the description, all right? So use the links in the description to join. I have a free 1-week training program going on, a free 1-week masterclass. Today is the 4th day, I think. Today is Wednesday. If today is Wednesday, then it's the 4th day. But if it's Thursday, if it's Wednesday, it's the 3rd day. I don't know. Today is the 4th day, I think. Yes, today is the 4th day. So you can contact me through the WhatsApp number to be part of the free masterclass, or just go to my description. So do not forget to subscribe, guys. All right, Genesis, I'll be waiting to receive your message on WhatsApp. For those who are joining us for the very first, I'm here to encourage a trader. All right, we are currently on the 3 minutes time frame. Okay, we actually got the entry on the 3 minutes time frame, but we got our signal, like everything validated on. All right, let me explain the setup to you. If you look closely, we've been very, very bullish. Okay, so when price decided to close below this key level, because I consider round figures as very important levels, and sorry, my network tripped. I don't know if we are still together. All right, so like I was saying, when price breaks my key level and gives me a pullback into that key level, and now this is our second entry. Okay, this is our second entry, so that's why we had to come down on the lower time frame to now look for a possibility to scale in. Okay, that's why we had to come down to a lower time frame to look for a possibility to scale in. So for those who yes, the network. Oh, Antoinette, nice to have you here. Okay, so price has pulled back up into our entry. Okay, which means for those who are still wishing to get into this setup, price has given you a second chance. Okay, and that is if you believe in the setup. So trading also deals with how you feel about a setup, how valid is it to you, because what I have here is my own analysis. Okay, and I'm just showing you what I did and what I'm saying. So what you should do is, before you take a setup provided online, you see, you don't know my trading capacity, you don't know how profitable I am. Okay, yeah, if you write me, I won't reply, but you can write me, I'll reply you later. So you don't know my win rate. So when you see a setup like this, someone provides you a setup, you don't just go in because maybe you feel like, hey, this guy is a mentor on YouTube, he knows a lot. No, you don't do that. All right, you manage your risk properly, you trade normally, and don't over leverage. Protect your funds, protect your capital. Okay, I'm also an ordinary trader just like you. I do make mistakes as well. We hit SLs as well. Even if I don't make mistakes, I follow my plan, stuff like that, but I still do hit SLs. Okay, which means when you see a setup from an online trader, avoid over leveraging, especially for those who are joining me for the very first time. But if you've been following me, you already know how we trade. You know we have a very high win rate, and uh, there are times when we have wins back to back, back to back, and there are also times when it's difficult. You get times when it's difficult. So for those who did not catch the first entry, now is another opportunity for you guys to catch an entry. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, show some love by subscribing, guys. This is my WhatsApp number here for those who might want to be part of the free 1 week, 7 days masterclass. God bless you too, Mr. Yeltsin Fialos. Yeah, I think that's the name. All right, just saw your message. No big deal. I'll save your contact. For those who are not yet subscribed, do not forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me, guys. It means a lot to me. I'll be here for you always. So if you subscribe, you are not just wasting your time. I even have some powerful content I drop back to back. So whenever I drop a content or I drop a new video, you receive a notification. So turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that you receive those notifications. Okay, and What you see us trading is exactly what I teach on my videos, okay? I don't teach something else and go trade something else. So if you go through my videos, you'll see exactly what we're doing here is what I talk about. And it works for me. It's been working. It gives me money. So I decided to share it with you guys, share it with those who are willing to learn, okay? Those who are willing to make money with me live online. All right, let's get it going. So we'll be coming live back to back. Turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that whenever I'm live, you receive the notification. FelloF live trading, something like that. And you'll be able to join me. Let's trade. Okay. So we just need to be patient. It's almost London session. So this is it's almost session. So this is pre-New York. Anything can happen. Let's just be watching. Let's watch closely and hope it goes in our favor. Let's make money together, right? And this is a clean 1:3 setup, so it's really fun. Okay, it's a 1:3 setup, which means if you're risking $100, you should be targeting $300 today. If you're risking your $10, $30. Okay, a minimum of $20. That's just it. So if you are risking one, never you risk one to get one. It doesn't add up. It doesn't. Imagine you risking $1 or $100 to make $100. When you lose, where do you go? Back to zero. But if you're risking $100 to make $200 or $300, you need to lose 2 to 3 times to go back to break even. You get? So don't play with your risk management. It means a whole lot to your success. If you play with it, you will remain at the level of dabbling. You'll never become a good or a consistently profitable trader. Okay? So that's what you should know. Keep it at the back of your head. Never forget it. Always remember before getting into a trade. How much am I risking? How much am I targeting? Am I risking, is my risk equal to my reward, or I'm risking twice, or I'm risking once to earn double? All right, Genesis, nice to have you on WhatsApp too. I can see your messages. I'll save your contacts, guys. We can relate. That's what it is to be a trader, you know, relating with other traders. Are you guys gonna attend the Forex Expo in Nigeria the next month? If you guys are gonna be there, maybe I'll be there. I'm still thinking. Now that I'm in Abuja, I can just rush to Lagos and be part of it. I'm still thinking. So if to go, I'll let you guys know so that those who want to meet me in person, we can meet there. But it's still a thought, not yet a decision. So the difficult moments you face as a trader, you ain't the only one, okay? You're not the only one. Imagine everybody who is in, most of you guys are in drawdown, all right? Some of us are still at break even, reason being that our first position was here. Let me mark it out. What is that tool? I don't even have the tool. So our first position was here. Sorry, was here. So we are at break even now. Our second here. Okay. So we just keep watching, keep watching and hoping. All right, hot ice FX, got you. All right, no problem. Genesis, see you next time. It's was really great having you. So as long as we are still below this key level, we are still good. It gets dangerous when we break above this key level, okay? So do not be afraid, do not be worried. That's trading for us. So guys, feel free, you can ask your trading related questions. Let's talk about it, That's how it is. That's why we are here, to relate, to connect, and also share our worries so that tomorrow will never be like today. We always get better every day. So you can share, you can ask your questions, or the challenges you face as a trader. So we can discuss about it and figure out some solutions. For those who are just joining us, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, guys. And thank you to all those who have subscribed to the channel already. I really do appreciate. I really do appreciate. This is a new channel. It's a baby channel. We are growing it, and I need you guys as much as you need me. Okay, we all are gonna do this together. Okay, I'm here for you. I provide you the necessary content you need. Like, I give you first-hand information. What I use is what I give you. Okay, I don't read books and talk. I talk about what I apply. Okay. Wow. Yes, we are already in a cell. That's Pope the First. All right, Genesis. Um, let's believe in it. We've done our analysis. We have done our part. So now we cannot do anything. We cannot correct. We cannot push to have you. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, please. I really do appreciate that. And thank you guys for liking the video. Thank you all for supporting me. So you guys, anyone who has a question, a forex related question or trading related question, because I don't trade only forex, I do crypto and futures, not crypto futures. I know most people know of crypto futures, but you don't know the other futures. I trade commodities and futures. Okay, so yeah, but as of now we are on forex, so you can ask your questions related to forex. Let's talk about it, or maybe your psychology issues, risk management issues, discipline issues, stuff like that. We can talk about it. That's why we are here, to help each other, to mold each other, to comfort each other, and encourage each other. I'm here. The reason why we have these live sessions is just to encourage each other. Okay, I'm not trying to prove a point. I'm not trying to let you know I'm the best trader in the world, or I can trade better than this, I can do that. No, why we are here is to help each other, to empower ourselves. All right, as for the TP, you just targeted 1:3, but for the SL is at 1.38073. Let me write it down. SL is 1.38073. Let me make it, I think it will be cool if we make it right. It's okay. Let's just leave it the way it is. All right, for the TP, I don't always give tipping. You manage your trade. Okay, so if you're risking $10 and you see yourself making $20, what does that tell you? You're up 1:2. Okay. Let's get it going, guys. Thank you. Thanks to those who are just joining us. Thank you very much for joining my live stream. Thank you very, very much. The number you see on the screen is my WhatsApp number. I have a free 1 week masterclass going on. Today is day 4. So you can still join us and be part of this amazing training. I believe it's going to help you in one way or the other. So you can hit me up on WhatsApp, and I'll give you the links to my free Telegram. You can as well join the link. The links to my free Telegram are even in the description. So you can click. You can just go to the description. So we are already inside New York session. Okay. So a lot might happen. Let's just be patient and let it roll. I think I'm gonna take my leave now. We've done what we have to do. The trade is already running. We cannot control it. All we have to do is just set and forget and hope it hits our TP. And for those who are just joining us now, we are at our entry, so you can still enter now. This is GBPUSD, okay? So we are selling GBPUSD, hoping to make a 1:3, okay? So if you are not subscribed to the channel, just hit the subscribe button so that whenever I come live, you can receive notifications, okay? You can receive notifications that I'm live, and I also share videos educating you on how to trade. So don't forget to subscribe. See you guys tomorrow, or in the comment section of my videos. For those who want to see some of the contents I've been creating, some of the videos we have here, you see even the videos like when I was still very, very back, struggling to do a lot. So you see everything, so you can go through the channel. You learn a lot too. Okay, so guys, have a blessed day. For those who have contacted me on WhatsApp, if you're not, I'll give you your replies, and I'll save your contacts. That's what trading is all about. Relationship. We should relate and get it going. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.